Number 66. What can be said about the density of the liquid in beaker A if the object in the beaker has a density of 2 grams per cc? So here's the object. Its density is 2 grams per cc, or 2 grams per milliliter, and it is sitting at the bottom of the beaker. So the object is more dense than the liquid, because more dense means it sinks. More dense equals sinks, and less dense means it floats. So if the object is sinking, then that means it is more dense than the liquid, and the liquid is less dense than the object. So for A, I would say the liquid is less dense. Oh, less dense. Okay, so we can write the density of the liquid is less than 2.0 grams per cc. Now, when you're talking about a liquid, you normally use grams per milliliter. When you're talking about a solid, it's grams per cc. So, this is just as an aside. 1 cc is the same thing as 1 milliliter, but cc is used for solids, and milliliters is used for liquids. So really, we should say the density of the liquid is less than 2 grams per milliliter. Now, if you say grams per cc and you're talking about a liquid, that's also fine. It's just normally what language people use is this right here. Okay, and then for part B, what can be said about the density of a liquid in beaker B if the object has a density of 0.90 grams per cc? Now this time the object is floating, so the liquid is more dense than the object. So for B, liquid is more dense, and so the density of the liquid, liquid is greater than the density of the object, which this time is 0.90 grams per cc, but we'll say 0.90 grams per milliliter because we're talking about a liquid now. Okay, check.